Hi guys, I'm Sasha and today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial that can be used to go to the living room, kitchen or the bed because we are in quarantine. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna be applying this face cream by Heinz. It smells so good, and yeah, then the shadows. Okay, I'm very sad now because I can't upload videos because I work from 7 a.m. at 5 p.m. and when I get home I take a shower, change my clothes, and then I go to my dance classes literally every single day. So yeah. Okay, now I'm going to use this little pink eyeshadow. This, oh my god, it's so beautiful. Yeah, starting from here, like from here to the middle of the eye, just like this. Okay, something like this. Okay guys, for this video I downloaded the Google Translator app and then I wrote a script, so if I speak bad, the reason. Okay, now I'm going to apply this pink eyeshadow. This pink eyeshadow, oh, it's so beautiful. From here, from here to the end of the eye. Oh my god, my feet hurts a lot. Now I'm in a bad position. Oh my god, so it hurts in the leg. And now the another eye. Okay, and now the mascara, like this. I don't know the brand, but it's so good, this mascara. I pass it 2 or 3 times, not more, like this. 1. Oh my god, I love it. It's so good. Now this eye. I love this mascara so much. I love it. Okay, and now I have this one. It's red. I really love it and smells so good. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Okay, one more. Oh, I love the sound. It's like a ASMR. I love it. Now a little bit of blush, only a little bit, not much, like this. So yeah, this is the makeup to be at home. I hope you like it guys. Don't forget to leave the thumbs up, and if you like it, comment down below, and see you next time in a Spanish video or maybe a Spanglish video, but yeah. Bueno chicos, este video lo hice para que nos divirtamos un rato en mi súper malísimo inglés y para que nos despejemos de toda esta cuarentena de porquería que odiamos, pero bueno, espero que les haya gustado y comenten acá abajo si les gustó o qué quieren ver en el canal esos días.